iamGIS empowers any user to remotely track and manage anything above or underground, whether it's a point, line, or an area. Here in this particular map, we see all the different assets that we're tracking. Here we've got all of the water and sewer information in this community. And we can show, in this case, a valve isolation plan. We know which valves to turn off and how many homes are affected. So we can come in here and quickly know which valves to shut off, 30, 31, and 32. And we know which homes are affected by doing that, saving time and money. With iamGIS, you can store an unlimited amount of data and digital media. You can literally track as many layers as you would like. Everything is fully customizable, so we can have the information, all of the history. We see we have a work order linked to this particular hydrant, and then we have the digital media. So we've got the pictures, we've scanned the hydrant record card and linked it right to that particular hydrant. iamGIS is perfect for use in the field on a phone or a tablet. iamGIS was built specifically for municipalities, utilities, manufactured housing communities, retirement communities. There are work orders built directly into the software that can be automated by certain data that triggers that work order, and everything can be done very quickly and easily. So we're just going to add 3 street lights. So we're going to click the add button, and we're going to put a street light here. We've got a new one here. And then we've got another one over here. So we add those in, click create, and they're added in literally seconds. With this particular street light, all we've got to do is click the move button and move that to where we want to put it. Click save, and we're done. And here you can see the built-in work orders for task management that are color-coded by the status. So now we're taking a look at a specific work order. When we click on the work order, we can see precisely when it was started, the date and the time, and when it was completed. We can see all of the information. Again, it's fully customizable to whatever it is that you need. We've got a history of all of our changes. And once again, that particular digital media attached to the work order. And we can quickly see all of our work orders in spreadsheet format, and also go to our dashboard, and depending on what widgets we want, we can track our active work orders, anything that we want to, see all of our maps wherever they are in the world. Thank you very much.